everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. So I have a little bit of a surprise because I totally wasn't expecting this. I thought I had skipped a whole bunch of Farmbox Direct, and I did. But it turns out that this week was the week that I didn't skip. And what's weird about Farmbox Direct, and you tell me if this has happened to you, I don't seem to get an email from them reminding me, and I feel like that's a little shady. I don't know what's in here. It showed up, and I did go into my account and skipped a whole bunch of other orders. So now I just have to remember that at the end of this year, if I want to keep skipping, I have to go back in and do that. And the reason I don't just cancel my account is because I know a lot of you don't have the same companies that I have, like Lancaster Farm Fresh and Greenfield Farms aren't available everywhere. Worthy Flavors too. They're just not available throughout the country. But Farmbox Direct, I believe, is pretty much available everywhere. Could be wrong. Didn't double check that. So tell me, leave me a comment if I'm wrong. But I know that some of you do want to order Farmbox Direct because that's the only way you can get produce delivered, or maybe you had a bad experience with Misfits. So I don't close my account because I want to be able to offer you guys a discount code. And if you want that, there is a link in the description down below where you can save off your Farmbox Direct box. Now, this is the all organic, what is this called? We haven't gotten Farmbox since like June or July. I think. This is the only organic large box, and the current price is $68.95. So we're gonna get this box open and we're gonna find out if it's worth around $70. It's pretty steep, guys. Let's get the box open. Okay, here we go. So the one thing I do really love about Farmbox is the way that they pack. Everything is wrapped. Red bell pepper, and I'll be honest guys, that is not in the greatest shape, especially not for the amount that this cost. Ooh, pears. We haven't gotten pears in a while. I guess it's pear season. These look nice, and these are Bartlett pears. Some romaine, and it looks like, I don't know if you can see this at the bottom, it looks like they took some leaves off, like the outer leaves they took off, so it's small romaine, and it's droopy. Yeah, this is not great. I mean, for $70, I expect pristine fruit and vegetables. Another Bartlett pear. Ooh, some kiwis. That's cool. See, this is what happens because I would never actually buy kiwis. I don't have anything against kiwis, but it's just not one of my go-to fruits. So if I had gone in to customize, I would have changed that and not gotten the kiwis. I especially would not have gotten 4 kiwis. Wow. I mean, they're large kiwis though. More red bell peppers. This one is pretty big. And this one's small. These two look much better than this one. Like, look at the difference. Look at how yucky that one is. And then we've got, wow, this is small. This is what they're calling 2 containers of Brussels sprouts. This is like enough to feed 1 person. It's a handful. That is what they're calling 1 bunch of Brussels sprouts. Now, if you ask me, that is a portion of Brussels sprouts. That's like what I would eat. Ooh, some apples. And these are Gala apples. These are really pretty. These are really nice. Some more pears. Wow, there's just tons of Bartlett pears. 2 cucumbers, and these look pretty good. Some carrots, and these do not look, these look like old carrots, guys, don't they? I mean, they're not rubbery or anything, but, well, that one is. That one's really rubbery. So for $70, I mean, give me fresh carrots. We got some huge Potatoes, huge Yukon Gold potatoes. Wow. Another potato and a mango. Does it say what kind of mango? It just says organic mango. I don't know what kind of mango that is. And then we've got a grapefruit, Valencia orange. That's a very large orange. 2 more oranges. Tell me this is more pears. I think we got enough pears. Gala apples, an avocado, another pear. I don't think we need that many pears. Some plum tomatoes. What is this? Oh, that's a Desi pack. This is a company that always puts Desi packs in. Worthy Flavors had started doing it along with their water bottles, but Farmbox always does this. Some more plum tomatoes. This one doesn't look so great. Another orange. And they packed it with the ice packs on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 ice packs and another Desi pack on the bottom. I'm going to show you what this looks like. I don't really think the quality is what it should be. I feel like the romaine and the carrots are not great. That one pepper is pretty nasty, but let me show you. So this is what my sink looks like right now. And that's everything, except for, oh, the avocado. Let's put the avocado on top of the kiwis. Okay, so what do you think? Is this worth $70? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Have you tried Farmbox Direct? Do you like it? What have you thought about it? After that box that we got from Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op, it's gonna be really hard for anything to compare to that. And that was what, $45? And it was way more than this, and it was in much better condition. If you're in an area where you can get Lancaster Farm Fresh Co-op, go ahead and get that. If you're not in an area where you can get that, then you have Misfits, you have Imperfect Foods, you have Farmbox Direct, Worthy Flavors, Greenfield Farms, and all of these companies, it really depends on where you live. Some of them don't deliver everywhere, so go to their websites, put in your zip code, and check to see if they deliver near you. And then come back to my YouTube channel and find the coupon code for that company. And you can see all my videos and all my reviews of all these companies here so that you can make an informed buying decision and spend your money with a company that's going to give you the best value for what you're looking for. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else it can help so that they don't pay too much for organic groceries. And just post it to your social media too. And remember, I post 3 videos every week, sometimes 4 videos, but usually 3. And at least one of them, sometimes more, is an unboxing video, and you do not want to miss those. So be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.